perfect business plan. An instrument so powerful that it can make 50% of your success possible even before you begin. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a step, and your first step is drafting a comprehensive, effective business plan. Watch this video till the end and use our detailed instructions to quickly and easily build a successful business plan. Here we go. Step 1. The executive summary. Your business's cinematic trailer is the first taste of the grand saga that is your entrepreneurial vision. Compact yet powerful, it should not exceed 1 to 2 pages, but within that it should encapsulate the essence of your business. Let's unwrap the layers of this masterpiece. Business snapshot. Think of it as your business's candid portrait. What's the core purpose of your venture? What's the driving force that propels it forward? Your offering. Here, we delve into the heart of your operation. What are you bringing to the marketplace? What's that unique product or service that will make your business shine? Ideal clientele and their habitat. Next, we must get a picture of your perfect customers. Who are they? Where do they dwell within the vast expanse of the consumer landscape? Competitive landscape. The business world is a jungle, and your business is a fearless explorer. Who are the other adventurers your business will be rubbing shoulders with? Financial outlook. It's time to glance at the crystal ball. What are your financial requirements? What does the future of your profitability look like? Leadership lineup. Your business is a ship. Every boat needs a reliable crew. Who are the stalwarts steering this venture towards success? Growth trajectory and future prospects. Every story has an arc, and so does your business. What's the roadmap for growth, and how does your business's future look? The executive summary is your business plan in a microcosm. This finely distilled essence holds the promise of your larger vision. Engaging and informative, it's a compelling invitation for others to join you on your entrepreneurial journey. Before we go any further, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in learning how to generate money online, since we upload 2 to 3 videos each week that walk you through the process from beginning to end. Please subscribe, and let's continue. Step 2. Company description. In this crucial section of your business plan, you answer the pressing questions: who are you and what do you plan to do? Your company's description serves as an introduction, delineating its unique offerings, strengths, and appeal to potential investors. It's akin to your business's autobiography. Even if it's just you reading it, the process of documenting the abstract dimensions of your business, such as its values, culture, and guiding principles, grants a sense of formality and clarity. Let's delve into the key components. 1. Business structure. Are you a solo entrepreneur, a partnership, an LLC, or a corporation? 2. Business proposition. What unique solution does your business offer? 3. Industry overview. What market space does your business operate in? 4. Mission and vision. What are your ambitions, and why is your business uniquely poised to achieve them? 5. Business history. What led to the inception of your business? What's your origin story? 6. Goals. What are the immediate and long-term milestones you aim to achieve? 7. Team structure. Who are the key players driving your business, and how are they compensated? Step 3. Research competition. Let's talk about the competition. It's like engaging in a grand chess match, where knowing your own moves is vital, but understanding your opponent's potential strategies can make all the difference. You see, having a fantastic product or service isn't enough. You need to understand who else in the market is dancing to the same rhythm. Enter the realm of competitive analysis, your magic mirror to view the business landscape from a vantage point. It empowers you to stack up your performance against your competitors, not just in isolation, but taking into account the ever-changing tides of market trends and the historical ebb and flow of performance. So lace up your detective shoes and get ready to dive deep into the competitive ocean. Your findings may just be the compass guiding your business ship towards success. Step 4. Market potential and research. Imagine your customers as the sun around which your business orbits. Understanding these individuals is your launchpad for a successful takeoff. Without proper preparation, you risk fueling your rocket with investments that don't lead to customer traction. Crafting a robust market research section means tapping into the well of knowledge others have about your target market. Here's how you can mine these insights. Test your product or service ideas with your family or friends. Would they buy it? Dive into the depths of social media and online communities where your target market thrives. Visit platforms like Reddit and Quora to gauge the needs and wants of your potential customers. Your business plan must echo your market knowledge and reveal the opportunity that you've identified. This means a thorough understanding of your target market, their specific needs, and what sets your business apart from the competition. To uncover these, ponder over the following. 1. Who exactly is my customer? 2. What does my customer truly need? 3. What makes us distinct from our competitors? Step 5. Describe the management, staff, and business structure. It's time to get down to business. It's time to sketch out the organization of your business and identify its main actors. Explain what it is that you do for a living. If you're in the software business, for instance, go into depth about the number of people involved in creating your product and how it operates. Specify the menu items and number of available seats if you're planning on launching a restaurant. Partnerships and cooperation with other businesses, if relevant, could also be discussed here. Critical skills to be discussed. To this end, it's important to have a skilled workforce that can effectively promote and produce high-quality goods for consumers. Give a description of the law. Investors need to know whether or not there are any lawsuits ongoing against the company that could have an impact on its future profitability and stability. Document your staff. To give potential investors an idea of how important or unimportant this facet of running a successful business may be in the future, you should detail all current personnel and their tasks. Step 6. Create a plan for advertising. If you're just getting started and don't have a huge marketing budget, you may have to settle for an online-only presence. Social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest are great venues to launch a marketing campaign because they are free to use. Claiming your business's real location on Google Maps is another great way to increase exposure. Everybody wants a higher search engine ranking, and this will help more people find your business when they look for it online. If you want to boost traffic and sales for less than $1,000 a month, consider hiring an SEO professional. Upwork and other platforms like it help independent workers connect with clients like you, so you may schedule a meeting with one there. Step 7. Funding requirements. As we navigate the roadmap of your business plan, it's time to address the financial fuel for your journey. Your business plan should shine a light on your startup and ongoing financial needs, laying out not just how much, but also the why and how of your fund utilization. Detail your company's profit margin, the hurdles you may face in expansion, like inadequate funding, and outline your business model, the blueprint of how you'll churn profits. Charting the financial course. Craft financial forecasts that highlight the revenue streams, growth rates, and profit margins for each product or service you offer. You can employ tools like Google Finance or other free online resources to create these projections, which typically take the form of a tabular layout. Your forecast should columnize various income types like sales, advertising revenue, costs of goods sold, and operational expenses. The latter includes rent, salaries, and overhead costs, which aren't directly tied to production but are lifelines for businesses as long as they stay within budget. Keep in mind that these financial calculations aren't mere digits. They are the financial story of your business, weaving together the tale of how you'll transform your investments into profitability. Step 8. Capital goods and supplies. Let's talk specifics. What are the materials and high-value equipment essential to your operations? Note down the tools vital for your business launch, along with their anticipated costs. Don't forget to factor in expenses for the acquisition, maintenance, and eventual replacement of each piece of equipment. For instance, technology, computers, cost $1,200, annual maintenance $400. Step 9. Mapping cash flow. Your business plan should also feature a cash flow forecast. This financial statement tracks the flow of money in and out of your business, offering crucial insights for financial planning. Understanding your monthly cash movements is key to making informed financial decisions and ensuring your business's longevity. Visualize this using a graph, where one axis represents time, like weeks, and the other displays sales or costs in dollars. This visual representation of your business's cash movements over time can help you spot trends and forecast future financial patterns, which are essential for effective business planning. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos to continue your journey towards financial freedom.